Tamiya panel line accent color is one of the easiest and most effective ways to add depth and realism to your model. It's designed to highlight panel lines, recesses, and fine details, making the model look more realistic and alive. To demonstrate the effect, I'll be using a Humvee model that's already painted in the base color. Before applying the wash, it's important to coat the model with a gloss varnish. I use Tamiya TS13 Clear Coat. Alright, the surface is ready, so we can get started. On a glossy surface, the wash flows much more easily and won't leave unwanted stains. We use the built-in brush to gently touch the panel lines or recessed details. The wash flows into recessed areas, emphasizes panel lines, and creates a natural shadow effect. This is especially important in scale modeling, where real shadows are too small to be visible. After about 5 to 10 minutes, once the wash has slightly dried, remove the excess using a cotton swab or a sponge applicator slightly dampened with enamel thinner. And don't worry, any excess wash can be easily removed from a glossy surface. Once fully dry, usually after a few hours, it's recommended to seal the model with a matte or semi-matte clear coat. This will protect the effect and make the model look more realistic. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.